talking of trending, magical transitions, I don't think this guy is being paid enough. Now, he got some very difficult ones, but for today, let's take it easy. Let's try his first 2 transitions, which I think are very easy. Now, make sure you set your phone or your camera on the tripod so that the frame does not shake around or change during the filming. And right here, as you sit on your table, pretend as if you are bringing something out of your table when you really know that there's nothing, alright? And now you gotta be very careful again right here. While your hands are still up on this level, right? Take the first object right here and then hold it. Just make sure that you try to maintain the same level, the same posture, because if you move a lot, it's not going to come out right. If you have someone to help you do the filming, he or she can be in a green suit, alright, and then that person will hand you over the first object, alright, so that you keep your hands and your body still. But for my case right here, I could not pull it very exactly because I didn't have anyone to help me do that. So I had to use my other hand and reach out for the first object, which happened to be a book in this case, alright, and then hold it, alright, and then I act like I was lifting it up, alright. And these are the first 2 shots of the first transitions. And then for the second transition, I now have to flip this notebook right here, alright, like in this way. I think that's good enough, alright. And then just after the flip, I put this object out of the frame again and then bring in the keyboard. And then I repeat the same movement of the flip. And now after this, bring the whole shot in Filmora mobile. Now for the very first split right here, move your mouse right on this frame where your hands are going up, alright, like they are pulling out something from the desk, alright. And then the second part of the transition, you cut it where you are holding the book and then you are just lifting up a little bit, alright. And then for the second transition right here, you move on this frame right here where the book is being flipped over, alright, and then you move again to the next frame where the keyboard again is being flipped over, alright, and then you join. Now if your splits are very precise, you're going to show up something that is better and more nicer than this. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very point. Subscribe, like and share the content. Meet you in the next one.